Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS backgrounds. And right now we'll be discussing about the CSS background position, specific from left to right. The background position property is used to specify the position of the background image. So I'm going to show you how to move from left to right specifically in your document. So quickly, let's use our background image again. Now, as you can see, we are seen on our CSS background playlist. You can check the playlist to be able to follow along. And right now, we'll be discussing about another specifically way you can move from left to right. Specific left to right. Can do this like this, and it's still going to show nicely. No any problem with that. Let's save our document and reload. Can you see we are having it? So top tension background position specific left to right. Now this is our background image. As you can see, if you have been following me along so far, you are going to understand that this is our background image and how I got this one. So quickly, let's get back to our specific. Now let's say we want to be specific beyond this one. Let's comment out this and save our document. Let's see what we got. Now we are having this our background image right here at the top. Now to do another thing with this, now we want to be able to shift from the left to the right, from the left to what, to the right. So that's where the left to the right specificity comes up. So now this is what we will do. Let's do background position again. We will use this background position along with value of what, along with numeric values. So let's give it 0%. Can you see what we got right here? When we give it 0%, it shifts from the top right here, come to this at the end of our fit set element right here. It wanted to start from here. So now let's give it to 20% to see what really occurs, what really happens. Can you see it shifts from the 0 right here, from the left right here to the right, 20%. So definitely when we give it 50%, can you see it reached the middle of our screen entirely? And when we give it 100%, definitely it reached the right side of our angle. Can you see? Reasonably, it works perfectly. Definitely it's like we use our left element, left value right here to shift ourselves to the left, and we use the center, like we use the center to shift to the center, right? Like we also use the right also to shift to the right. And the same thing occur when we remove all this kind of thing. Or again, don't you forget what I told you earlier about all this, about removing some elements later. Can you see the same thing occurs? Can you see it chop out some of our image as well? So now we want to be able to control it fully. That's why we use this left to right. This left to right also, can you see now when we use 100% again, let's save it to 100%. Can you see our image is at the top again? Let's use 50% so you can see it will shift. Can you see our image is still here and it's still chopped? It's like we took center. Now let's use 20% so you can see what I'm talking about. Reload. Can you see the same thing occur when we now use 0% again? Let's reload our document. Can you see it's like we use the left and it's chop our image also. So I think you have also see how we can shift from left to right using this our numeric sign, right? So I will advise you to practice this because practice makes perfect. We shift from 0 to 100. So you can give it 30 also 30% to shift to the 30. Can you see? Because we have brought back our fit set element, that's why I shift like that. That's why everything pops again. Now let's give it 25 so you can be able to see what I'm talking about clearly again. Can you see it shifts to the back a little? So we are able to shift from the left to the right using our percentage by using 0. When you use 0 is going to the left, 50% is going to the half of our screen. When you now use 100%, it's going to the right side of our screen entirely. Can you see? and the same thing occurs when you remove whatsoever you are having here. It's going to come to the top and chop whatsoever. So it's working nicely, right? So we are going to control the one that is chopping out easily later, but I think you guys have understood how I got this left, right, left, right. Now save your document. Anwar Akorede ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time to our next tutorial. Have a great day. And in the next tutorial, we are going to discuss about this much better, so you can be able to use this in your document in easy way. Have a great day. Thank you so much, and to the next. Bye bye. Please practice, because practice makes